Good morning, cyber traders. Welcome on this lovely Tuesday. Good to see you all. And looks like having a pretty interesting day on PALI. Looks like we have a nice little pop there. We're going to check this thing up about almost 100%. Not bad for an 8:30 move, right? Not bad, not bad. And pre-market has been treating us pretty well. Good to see you, Abdul. Good to see you, Lita, Grant, Wendy, everyone. Good to see you all, everybody on social media. Good to see you, Martin. Good to see you in there too. Thank you very much. All right, everyone. So today is hump day. Tuesday has always been an exciting day. I did a good couple of nice little posts yesterday. Did you guys watch the YouTube video I posted on Tesla? Just want to bring that up because it did actually really well. Everybody see that little post on that on the Tesla trade? I don't know if anyone saw it. Everybody, there it is. Okay, Rich just posted up the link right there. Rich posted up in on the social media link too, also. So anyway, you got to watch this video because I did two videos. One was yesterday where it was a big order that was getting done at 200,000 shares. And then there was another order that was at 165. Then the next order, 164, 162. At the end of the day, there was a big buyer for about 500,000 shares at 160. You know, and you know what? I know a lot of people here are trying to figure out, okay, what just happened? Well, let's go back and look at what happened right now. It's at 157. So I just want to look at Tesla really quick and show you what we got going on right here, because that is not a very good sign at all. Not a good sign at all. I'm not really seeing any orders out there, but I'm going to bring this up really quick just to show you. So here's that 160. Okay, but that is in pre-market. That wasn't yesterday. There was a buyer at 157. So this is getting pretty ugly for Tesla. They're not looking good at all. But now I know that some of us here, we can't trade Tesla. It's too expensive. Remember, there is the ETF also. There's let me bring it up. Typed in the wrong symbol. TSLL. You know, that's the other one. So I'm going to put these stocks on our watch list, by the way. So we had Tesla. We have TSLL. And there's other ones too that are following with it. You got Revvion that's probably not doing too well. REVN. Looks like all of them are taking major hits. And you know what's crazy? Yesterday, what were we just talking about? Even in the cyber group room, we were going at it. Me and Josh were talking a little bit about, you know, about the electric cars. And I was a big fan. I thought that this whole thing with the Inflation Reduction Act that they passed, $1 trillion that Congress passed and the president passed, they was going to put all these, you know, electric buses and that. Oh yeah, what was that one too that got crushed? It was actually went out of business. What was it? What was the symbol of that stock? The stock symbol, horseshoe. What was it? I don't forget. Somebody probably remember it. I don't even want to even know the name. I was so ticked off. I lost money on that one. Charge station. Oh, Workhorse, Bill. That's it. Thank you very much. Is it still available? Is it still around? Let's go look it up. WKHS. 18 cents? Oh my God. How's that even exist at 18 cents? I remember trading it right here around the $8. Okay. Oh my God. 18 cents? 18 cents? Oh my God. That's crazy. All right. Anyway, so there's a lot of them. They're all taking hits. But remember, the big move is, can it go to zero? Well, that's usually what we always say, John. How much lower could a stock go? It goes to zero. We don't know how high they can go, but we definitely always have a number how much lower it can go, and that number is zero. So anyway, it's been great for us. We've been doing great on it. FSR was the other one too. Yeah, we'll look at the FSR. FSR, 8 cents. What's up? 8 cents. God. Plug, how about a PLUG? Plug, $2. What was the other one? F-Cell, $1. I mean, these people that have to do reverse stock splits coming soon. What was the other one? Plug, ChargePoint, $1.50. I was a huge fan of ChargePoint. Huge fan. You know, it's crazy. So think about it. We're just going back and talking about these stocks. You know what? I'm going to do a video on this stock, on all these AV stocks and the ChargePoint. This is like, I don't think people are really talking about this too much. Anyway, let's move on anyway. But the big thing was yesterday's video. It did really, really well. It was probably one of the best videos we've done in the past month. It got so many hits, which is kind of shocking how it went a little viral on YouTube. Also on all social media, on Instagram and TikTok too, also did really, really well. But I'm going to talk about it a little bit more. I'm going to do something else. I'm going to double down on all these EV stocks. But anyway, there are other stocks that are doing a lot better. So let's talk about what just happened yesterday really quick. INDO was a great, great stock that moved yesterday, went from 4 to 650. LGVN was another one that was an early morning runner, 220 to 320. YYAI stock. Oops. Sorry about that. YYAI, wrong symbol. That one, new IPO, that one did pretty well. $1.40 260. HU, a lot of cheap ones. This one also, HUBC, it started to come back down, so it's pretty much done. Runway got crushed, right? Runway was starting to make a big run. That was a good stock that ran. That started to come back down. And LabD, that one I'm going to put back on the watch list, LabD. LABD. So that one took a big hit from 30, went down to close to 5. It's been up on the last couple of days. Looks now starting to be a little bit more of a swing trade. And I forgot one more. It was a KAVL, Cabo. That one was the Earl. That one was absolutely fabulous yesterday. That one right there got halted several times. You could see it. And then it finally opened up. We couldn't trade it in when we were not talking on morning hours because that thing just decided to make its big move. And it got halted for more than 5 minutes. It went to 10 minutes. It ended up opening up right around a little bit past 10:30. But what a great run. I think ran to $10 a share. Phenomenal. That was probably the biggest winner of the day, the KAVL. But don't worry about it. There's always new ones today. We always find new ones, right? So let's go do some shopping. Let's go through the watch list. Let me bring up my book viewer here. Look out right here on the second screen. And then we open up the PALI. So PALI, I think it's pretty much going to be quiet right now. There was a big order. You could see some orders out here. Let me fix the filter out here. I want to eliminate all these small orders. 1,000. So we're going to fill that out. So we had a couple of decent orders here, 3,000, so on. There was a big order at 880. You can't see him. He's on level 4. I'll bring it up over here. This is that order right there that I'm showing you. He left, so it did get close to it. He was there. What time was he there? 8:45. Okay, so we got to be a little careful on this one. Stock long-term chart. You could see it's got big resistance levels. So we're hovering right at that resistance level. So party might be over for the stock right now. PALI, but we don't know what's ready for when the market opens up, when program trading kicks in. We'll keep an eye on that one. Wistia was another stock that we've traded in the past. Another nice little stock. This stock, I mean, look at the long-term chart on this thing. This thing in a reverse stock split so many times. Was up at $3,200. Yes. After all the reverse stock splits and everything, it came all the way back down to WISA, all the way down here. So stock's taking a big hit right now. Are we getting a little bit of a bounce? Looks like a pretty volatile all of a sudden. My God. So anyway, nice little stock. I like this stock right here. Nice spread, nice trend. We had a couple of orders that showed up. 240. Is he there? Okay, he looks like his stock is more or less. Oh, he just pulled his order. Never mind. So Wistia, WISA. That one's going on our watch list. That one's pretty good. PRSO, another one that looks pretty inexpensive, a little cheap. Big 40,000 share buyer just showed up about 5 minutes ago. PRSO, is he there? Okay, 20,000. You see him right there at a $1.53. So basically, that's around here. I'm not really seeing it too much. It's actually, yeah. So put that one there. PRSO. So we got a good iceberg order on that one. That's what we're looking for, right? Anything else? What else did I find? I found this one too, but it's coming back down. I like the volume. Trade 6 million shares. And there's a huge iceberg order too. Yeah, it looks like this is going to have an issue right here. BRTX. We got a big iceberg order at 175. Yep, you see them right there. 15,000 and 11,000, 20,000, $2. A lot more sellers than buyers. So we're going to scratch this one out. Don't be fooled because it's on a big uptrend. There's been a new IPO, been doing pretty well. Not don't like it. Ooh, painful. This one's just making new lows. Pharmaceutical stock. Ooh, not going too well. Feel bad for you. All right. And it's not, you know what? Unfortunately, it's not on the short list. $140 stock down to $1.80. You guys want to do some swing trades. Some people think like, you know what? I like to swing trade. I don't like to day trade. I said this to somebody the other day and I warned him. And it was a doctor. It was actually an eye doctor I was talking to. And I said, listen, you want to be a good stock trader, a swing trader, an options trader, you damn well better learn how to day trade first, because what happens over the course of the day is what trickles into a swing trade and investment. And being here for so long, a lot of you probably seeing that more and more. All right, so this stock INDO is going down because it's been on an uptrend. Things been doing great lately. Any of the fabulous sevens doing anything great? Not really. Not seeing anything pop up there. AMD's trying to come back. How are we doing with the market right now? We're up a little bit. Oil's down. Nothing big crazy there. Just looking at some quotes coming up here. Yeah. All right. So this is not that big. Okay. I think the big news is going to be a lot of the EV stocks. Okay. I'm just so upset I didn't hold my short on those two stocks. Tesla wasn't what? It was the Revvion I should have held my short. I think I talked about it. That's going to probably bother me all week. Really is. But you know what? It's probably never too late to short. I'm going to check out the news and see what's going on. Any other stocks I did not call out, cyber traders. Yeah, you know what? Bill Ireland's saying the DJT. Too bad we can't short that one. Yeah, that one is obviously trending down lower. It's a new IPO. That's the reason why. Usually takes a little bit. They don't let you short stocks after at least 30 days. Stocks hasn't been open up that long. All right. All right. So listen, let's get ready for the market. Opened up. Watch the videos. Okay. Make sure you like them. Please leave a comment. Go out there and share them. I'm trying to make sure that you guys are getting some little tips of some trades going on here. We just posted that link up there for you guys. You have me copy and paste that too and put it in social media. For everyone that did not watch that video, here you go for everybody in there. Is that the right link? Okay. Hold on a second. Did I put too much? All right. So I got the link up there, and we're ready for the market opened up. So if we see something, anything going on, we'll go out there and trade those stocks. All right. Just make sure see something, say something. And if you're new here to Cyber Trade University, you're in the cyber group room. Make sure you talk to education advisor. Make sure you just sit back and watch and learn. And then hopefully, if if you like it, we'll make you part of the team. Good luck, everybody. Happy trading. We'll see you about in 15 minutes. So don't go anywhere. Everyone else, we'll see you back here for Traders Talk at 11 a.m. All right. And then we'll be back here again live at 2:30 for the afternoon for everybody on social media. Good luck, everyone. Trade safe.